Introducing Trilogy Trellis for RhinoArtisan. Shape the outer prongs that connect to the shank, adjusting diameter, curvature, and opening to achieve the perfect fit. Switch the prong tip between claw and circular styles to match the character of your design. Choose how each prong ends, with square or fully custom tips. Custom lets you shape a curve so the prong finishes exactly where it meets the shank. For effortless adaptation, refine the inner prongs that connect the center gemstone to the side stones with independent parameters for diameter, curvature, and height across the center and the sides, giving you full freedom to balance your design. Add rails and edit them all together for a fast, consistent workflow. Trilogy Trellis, available in RhinoArtisan.